We tend to eat a lot of carbs during our Upvas. And so today I thought, let's make something different and healthy. A Rajgire ka aate ka Thalipeeth. So for the Rajgira Thalipeeth, I've taken 3 cups of Rajgire ka atta. We'll add 2 finely grated potatoes to this, 3 finely chopped green chilies, half a cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, some salt to taste, and a cup of roasted peanut powder. Now let's mix all this well together. We'll add half a cup of water. Mix this well. Now add another half a cup of water. Now add another half cup of water. We're going very slow while adding the water because we don't want the dough to get very liquidy, okay? So we're going very easy while kneading this dough. As you can see, the dough is ready. This is the consistency. It's a little sticky. Now we'll make the Thalipeeth. Heat a pan. Wet your hands with some water. Take a handful of the dough. Roll it into a ball. Drizzle some oil on the pan and just place this ball on the oil. Take little water on your fingertips and gently go on patting it. You initially start patting it from outside and then you concentrate on the center and go on spreading the dough. Now keep the flame on a medium and cook it on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, flip it over and drizzle some oil. And now let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now we've cooked the Thalipeeth on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes rather, and the Thalipeeth is done. Now let's remove this in a plate. Let's make one more. Wet your hands. Drizzle some oil on the pan. Again, dip your fingers, wet your fingers with water. Pat it a little outside first, and when it becomes completely even, then you can start spreading the batter by patting it from the center. Drizzle some oil. The Thalipeeth is ready. Now similarly, make more Thalipeeth from the batter from the dough that's remaining. And now you can serve this with a chutney of your choice or with simply some yogurt. So try this recipe and keep watching Smita Deo.